Friends, welcome once again. In index number chapter, we have learned how to calculate index number with the help of arithmetic mean, with the help of median, as well as with the geometric mean is over there. Sometimes in index number the weight is given, and that kind of the index number is called weighted index number is over there. So how to calculate weighted index number? We are having two formula for that. We can having weighted index number with the help of arithmetic mean, and we can having weighted geometric mean also. So in today video we will learn how to calculate weighted arithmetic mean and how to calculate the weighted geometric mean over there. So for getting the very first, we are having the weighted we are having a question for getting constructing the weighted index number. We are having the groups food, fuel, light, clothing, house rent and miscellaneous is given. So group index number for the food is 352, for the fuel and light is 200, for the clothing is 230, for the house rent is 160 and for the miscellaneous is 190. The weight for the house is 48%, 48 is over there. For the fuel and light is 10, for the clothing is 8, for the house rent is 12 and the miscellaneous is 15. So we are to calculate first what weighted arithmetic mean and then the index number of the weighted geometric mean for that. So for getting group index is given, that is a value of R. For getting weighted index number, that is sigma RW divided by sigma W. So the very first, it's very simple, just we have to multiply the weight with the group index and we are getting the weighted index number is over there. So for constructing that, we are having first one we are having weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean we are having weighted arithmetic mean index. For that, it's very simple. Where we are using the frequency, at the place of frequency we will use weight. So just it's a equal to weighted arithmetic mean. Similarly, we are having weighted index number is over there. So this is very simple. We have given the value of weight W, that is 48, 10, 8, 12 and 15. The value of index number is given 352, 200, 230, 160 and 190. So we have to calculate RW. It's very simple. We have to multiply R with the W. So we will calculate the RW value. So first one, that is 48 multiply 352. So this is 896. First RW. Second one is 2000. Third one is 8 multiply 230. So there will be 1840. Next 12 multiply 160. That is 1920. And 15 multiply 190. That is 2850. So the sigma RW value 3, againly checking, 352 multiply by 48, next 2000, next 8 multiply 230, next 12 multiply 160, 9020, 15 multiply 190. So addition is 25506. 25506. Firstly, we have calculated, that is 25506. For weighted index number, weighted arithmetic index number, this is weighted arithmetic mean, that is sigma RW divided by sigma W. So value of sigma RW 25506 divided by the value of W. that is 48 plus 10 plus 20 plus 15, that is 93. So divided by 93, the value of weight is 93. So 200 to 25,506 divided by 93. So the index number will be 275.25. 275.25 againly some difference may be over there. 25506 divided by 93, that is 274.25. So 274.05. So its weighted arithmetic mean index is very simple. Just we have to multiply the W with the index number, we are getting the RW. And for getting the weighted index number, what we have to do? Just we have to do using the formula, that is sigma RW divided by sigma W. So we will get the weighted arithmetic mean, that is 274.05. So this is the average of this all, that is index number is over there. So this is the index number, this is the individual price index, but is the whole price index is over there. So with the help of the weighted arithmetic mean, we have calculated this weighted arithmetic mean. But with the help of the geometric mean also we can having, that is called weighted geometric mean. So the very first, what is weighted geometric mean? Index number is anti-log sigma log R multiplied by W divided by sigma W. So the formula for this weighted, using weighted geometric mean, so the very first log R multiplied by W divided by sigma W, as we are calculating geometric mean in a case of a discrete or continuous series, we are using log X multiplied by F divided by sigma F. So similarly at the place of F we are using here the weight is over there. So it's very simple. For getting the arithmetic mean, firstly we will got the geometric mean, that is called log R. First one we are calculating the value of log R. So 3 items, so 2.123 item, 2.123 item, 2.123 item, 2.123 item, so 2 point. Now we will say the log table. The very first we will say 35 and the difference is 2. So the log table available in examination also, you will if you will ask for the log table will be available to you. So 35 difference is 2, that is 5465. And for 22 0 is 13010. 23 at the 0, that is 3617. 16 to 0, so 16 to 0, that is 2041. And 19 to 0, so 19 to 0 is 2788. So the very first we will having log R multiplied by W, this required to us. We don't want to having the addition of this, just we want to having the addition of. So firstly I should check 2.5465, 2.3010, 2.3617, 2.2041 and 2.27888. So everything is okay. Now the multiplication of W to this. So first one 2.5465 multiplied by 48, so 122.232. 122.232. Second one is 22.3010 multiplied by 10, that is 23.01. Next one 2.3617 multiplied by 8, that is 18.8936. 18.8936. Next 2.2041 multiplied by 12, that is 26.4492. 26.4492. and 2.2788 multiply by 15, that is 34.1820. 34.1820. So the addition of this is 224.7668. For getting this 224.7668. Now geometric mean index number geometric mean, that is anti-log, sigma log r multiplied by w divided by sigma w. So the anti-log 224.7668 divided by 93, 8, we know that the w is 93. So we are having 93 division with the 93, 2.4168. So the value of anti-log that is 2.4168. So we will see the anti-log of 2.4168, 4168 anti-log which we have to see, that is 262611. So 41 difference is 41 to 6 and difference is 8. So we will see the anti-log, that value will be 2611. 2611. So 2 is here, so after 3, so the end this will be 261.1, the index number will be. So with the help of this, we can having the weighted index number is over there, no problem at all. We can calculate the weighted index number over there. So this video will be helpful for you to calculate weighted index number is over there. So I think with the help of this, if they want weighted arithmetic mean, then no problem, we have to do the multiplication of RW divided by sigma W. If they want that weighted geometric mean index number is over there, then we have to use this formula, that geometric mean is anti-log sigma log R multiplied by W divided by sigma W. With the help of this, you can calculate the weighted index number also. So I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to calculate weighted index number. Thank you.